Hello friend, I'm your friend and Professor Dr. Anand, and today we will going to understand the decision theory. Again, decision theory is part or decision theory comes under in statistics or quantified methods. So here we go with the decision theory. Before starting with the actual problem and solution of the decision theory, first we will try to understand various methods which comes under in decision theory. So there are two types of decision theory. First is certainty and second is uncertainty. Solving both the problem which are belongs to certainty and certainty, the solving the problem of respective methods are different. So if problem is belong to certainty, the method is different, and if problem is belongs to uncertainty, the method is different. So how to find out whether your problem is belong to certainty or uncertainty? If under problem of decision theory, if probability has given, then you can say this problem is belongs to certainty. And there is one problem where probability has not given. So in that case, you can say this problem is belongs to uncertainty. So what we have to do if problem is of certainty? So suppose we have find the problem and under that problem we found probability has given. On the basis of that we can say this problem is belong to certainty. So if problem is belong to certainty, you need to find out the value of three formula, that is EMV. So what is EMV? Expected monetary value. The second formula is EVPI, that is expected value of perfect information. And last formula, that is VPI, that is value of perfect information. So let us assume here is the problem. Payoff of the three acts, that is XYZ, and the status of nature of LMN are given below. So this table has given, and the probability of the states of nature are 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.3 respectively. To calculate EMV, to see in this problem we have to take the decision, and along with this problem they have given the probability. So on the basis of that we can say this problem is belong to certainty. So how to solve this problem? So again, see what we have does in the solution part, only we have written their respective probability, and this probability has given in the problem only. So 0 0.3, 0 0.4 and 0 0.3. So first thing we have to find out EMV. How to find out EMV? Take the respective cost of each act and multiple by respective probability, and likewise you can find out the EMV for respective act. So first we'll go 0.20 into 0.3 plus 200 into 0.4 plus 400 into 0.3, and this is how you can find out the EMV for first again row. The same way you need to find out the EMV for second act. So again minus 50 into 0.3 plus minus 100 into 0.4 plus 600 into 0.3, and this is how you can calculate the EMV for second row. Again for third row, 200 into 0.3 plus minus 50 into 0.4 plus 300 into 0.3, and this is how you can find out the EMV for each act, and out of which you have to suggest best EMV. So how to suggest best EMV? You need to find out the highest EMV, or you need to find out the highest value of EMV, and that you have to select, find the highest EMV and suggest that highest EMV, that is 194. It means they should go with Act X, because Act X has highest value, that is 194. How to find out next value, that is EVPI? So if you want to find out the value of EVPI, then what you have to do? You need to find out highest cost from the respective probability. into respective probability. It means from the first probability, from the column number first, which one is the highest probability, and that probability you have to multiply with the respective probability. Then first, from first column, highest probability is 200, then 200 into zero point 0.3. From the next column, highest probability is 200, 200 into zero point 0.4, plus from the next column, highest probability is 600, therefore 600 into 0.3. So likewise you can find out value of EVPI. EVPI is 320. And last, we have to find out the value of VPI, that is value of perfect information. So in which what we have to do, only finding the VPI, there is one formula, that is EVPI minus highest EMV. So EVPI we have find out, the EVPI is 320 minus highest EMV. Highest EMV we have find out in the previous slide, that is 194. Make the subtraction, that is 320 minus 94 is equal to 126. So this is what we have to find out. The value of perfect information is 126. If you are having any problem, any doubt, you can write into comment box. Thank you for attending this session. Wish you best of luck.